ladies and gentlemen of YouTube land, and welcome to a new video of wich channel. Well, today we are going to make Welder's third hand, which is adjustable and useful in all positions. Well, we all know a Welder's third hand. Most of the designs look like this, but this is not adjustable, and this is useful only in one position, like this. You can put something straight up, place the third hand on it, and it's stable. But what if you need to do it like this, upside down, or in a vertical position? It's not useful. So, to be fair, I saw this design of a Welder third hand on a German YouTube channel called Manfred Welding. I watched this video and I thought, well, this third hand is pretty neat, so I'm gonna copy it. What we use for it is a piece of rebar, 10 millimeter, an old ground clamp from a welder, 2 nuts M12, and 2 of these magnets. So, let's get started. Well, first of all, we're going to drill a 6.5 millimeter hole into that ground clamp, just for the magnet. Only on the back side, because we can use the 8 millimeter hole on the front. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's pretty much it. Well, clamp it with the magnets, just pick a piece you want to tack on, and done. Well, even a spike or a small screw is not a problem. You just check this. That's it.